Hi, I'm your teacher, Leah Conklin Olson. Interested in small business? Join our class. The small business class meets Monday through Friday, 11:30 to 1:30. You can attend in person or online. This is called HighFlex. The start date for this class is October 3rd, 2022. And the end date is December 16th, 2022. This is an 11-week course. Here are the dates on the calendar from October 3rd to December 16th. What will you learn? You will learn business planning. We will do business research and create a 10-step business plan. You will practice customer service, customer relationship building, business transactions, and working with customers in the Hub's online store. You will learn digital skills for email, website navigation, and basic computers. You will practice financial understanding to do sales transactions and create business budgets. You will learn about marketing skills, do customer research, and use marketing strategies. Finally, you will learn about online sales, learn how to be an online vendor, learn how to create a business website, and manage a Hub's online store. Is this class right for you? If you want to learn more about business, learn the basics and practice with the Hub store. If you have a business idea you want to explore, research your business, create a business plan. And if you want to sell things online, learn to set up a website, learn to be a vendor with Amazon and Facebook, then yes, this is the class for you. Here are the class expectations. You need to attend at least 3 classes each week, complete work in the Google Classroom, do at least 2 hours of homework each week, come prepared with a notebook, pen, and digital device, pay attention for the whole class, and participate in the class. If you plan to attend online, here are the things you must do online. Turn your video on, mute your microphone, use the chat or hand button to participate, pay attention to the whole class time, join class from home or a quiet place. Do participate. If you join online, these are the don'ts. Don't keep your don't keep your video off. Don't keep your microphone unmuted. Don't shout out. Don't do housework, watch TV, or drive. Don't join class from an appointment, work, or your car when you're driving. Don't sit and just watch the class. You must participate. There are many technology expectations for this class. We use Google Meet for the class meetings if you are joining us online. Everyone will use Google Classroom to find the class information, class links, and class assignments. We will use Pear Deck and Jamboard for in-class practice, and we will use Gmail for teacher-student communication, questions and updates, and special class announcements. You will also have the opportunity to do extra homework on Northstar to practice basic computers, internet, and email, and Edmentum to practice consumer math and money management. Ready? Let's learn!